Sermon number 90. Allah's attributes, and some advice. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, who is well known without being seen, who creates without pondering over, who has ever been existent when there was no sky with domes, nor curtains with lofty doors, nor gloomy night, nor peaceful ocean, nor mountains with broad pathways, nor curved mountain roads, nor earth of spread floors, nor self-reliant creatures. He is the originator of creation and their master. He is the God of the creation and its feeder. The sun and the moon are steadily moving in pursuit of his will. They make every fresh thing old and every distant thing near. He distributed their sustenance and has counted their deeds and acts, the number of their breaths, their concealed looks, and whatever is hidden in their bosoms. He knows their places of stay and places of last resort in the loins and wombs till they reach their end. His punishment on enemies is harsh despite the extent of his mercy, and his compassion on his friends is vast despite his harsh punishment. He overpowers one who wants to overcome him, and destroys one who clashes with him. He disgraces one who opposes him and gains sway over one who bears him hostility. He is sufficient for one who relies on him. He gives one who asks him. He repays one who lends to him. He rewards one who thanks him. O creatures of Allah, weigh yourselves before you are weighed and assess yourselves before you are assessed. Breathe before suffocation of the throat. Be submissive before you are harshly driven. Know that if one does not help himself in acting as his own advisor and warner, then no one else can, effectively, be his advisor or warner.